So I have this AC unit that is not draining, and it's backing up into the AC system and dripping all over my floor. So this is the exit hole. I cleaned this out, but I still can't seem to get anything out of it. So what I did was hooked up, I had to actually cut the line. No bleach or any kind of snake seemed to work. I suspect it needs to get blown out. So what I did here was I hooked up my leaf blower, set it here on this ladder, and then the essential of any good rig, duct tape, and duct taped it to this garden hose here, which feeds into the line, and I have the line plugged. So we're going to go ahead and turn this on and see if it works. Okay, that's what it looks like from afar. Drum roll, please. Okay, it should be blowing. We'll go check the line to see if water's coming out. No water whatsoever. That is not what was expected. Oh, here it comes. There it goes. Oh my. Whoa. Okay. It worked. By golly, it worked.